Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to turn off contacts syncing on TikTok. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up TikTok application on your Android device, and then you need to tap on the profile option at the bottom right here, and this will load up your TikTok profile. Then you need to tap on three lines at the top right and tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on privacy here. And now here you can see this option where it says sync contacts and Facebook friends. So just open it up, and now what you're gonna have to basically do is here it says that sync contacts. Okay, so if this is turned on like this, so you just need to turn this off like this one. Okay, so now you have successfully turned off contacts syncing on TikTok. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.